Running out of space on your C drive? Don't worry, TechAssist Hub has you covered. Welcome to TechAssist Hub. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to increase your C drive space without losing data. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Disk Management. First, let's open Disk Management. There are two simple ways to do this. Method 1. Using the This PC icon. Right-click on the This PC icon on your desktop. Click on See More Options on Windows 11. Select Manage from the menu. In the Computer Management window, click on Disk Management in the left-hand panel. Method 2. Using the shortcut. If you prefer a faster method, press Windows plus X on your keyboard. From the menu that appears, select Disk Management. This will take you directly to the Disk Management window, where you can manage your drives and partitions. Step 2. Shrink the volume. Next, let's shrink a volume to create unallocated space that we can use to extend the C drive. In the Disk Management window, find the drive you want to shrink. For example, we'll use the D drive. To shrink the volume, right-click on the D drive and select Shrink Volume from the menu. A new window will appear, showing the total available space for shrinking. Enter the amount of space you want to shrink in MB. Click Shrink, and Windows will reduce the size of the D drive. You will now see a black bar labeled Unallocated Space in the Disk Management window. Step 3. Extend the C drive. In the Disk Management window, right-click on the C drive and select Extend Volume from the menu. The Extend Volume wizard will appear. Click Next to proceed. The wizard will display the maximum available unallocated space. To use all of the space, leave the default value. If you want to add only a portion, specify the amount of space in MB. Click Next, then Finish to complete the process. Once done, return to the Disk Management window. You will see that the unallocated space has been added to the C drive, and the updated size will now be visible. This is how you can easily increase your C drive space in Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.